Chloride, New Mexico is a partially restored ghost town in southern New Mexico. The town is open to the public and is a 2-hour drive from Las Cruces. One can tour the on-site museum, which used to be the general store. The store was closed and boarded up, with the merchandise still inside. Decades later, the store was opened up, and its contents became a museum. You can view the many antiques in what is essentially a time capsule. There is a nearby gift shop and several restored nearby buildings. There is also antique farm equipment outside for display. In the late 19th century, a prospector named Harry Pye stumbled upon silver ore in the Apache country. This discovery marked the beginning of an era that would put chloride on the map. The Apache country was no place for the faint-hearted, but the lure of silver was too strong to resist. Pye's discovery triggered a silver rush, drawing miners from all over to this small corner of New Mexico. Chloride bloomed into a bustling town with about 2,000 inhabitants, 75 businesses, and 12 mines in operation. The town had everything from a mercantile to a blacksmith, from a hotel to a Chinese laundry. Life in Chloride was vibrant and promising, with the echo of pickaxes and the clatter of ore wagons filling the air. However, the glory days of Chloride were short-lived. In the early 20th century, the silver market crashed, and with it, the dreams of many. The mines that once teemed with activity fell silent, and the once thriving town turned into a near ghost town. Despite the downturn, Chloride refused to fade into oblivion. The town's residents, though few, clung on to their homes, cherishing their history and the memories imprinted in the weathered buildings and abandoned mines. Fast forward to the present day, Chloride is a living testament to the Old West. The town has been revived as a historic site, attracting history buffs and travel enthusiasts who wish to get a glimpse of the past. A few of the old buildings have been restored, and the abandoned mines stand as monuments of a bygone era. An iconic feature of Chloride is the Grafton House, a restored home. The house originated in Grafton, New Mexico. The house was disassembled and donated to the city of Las Cruces. Eventually, the house was disassembled again and moved to Chloride. The house has been reassembled, and it is open to visitors. The house now serves as a museum, offering visitors a peek into life during a bygone era. In summary, Chloride, New Mexico, is a town that rose from the silver rush, weathered the storm of market crashes, and survived to tell its tale. From its mining history to its present state as a historic site, Chloride is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and a reminder of a chapter in American history that shaped the West. Today, it stands as a monument to the past, offering a unique experience for those who visit, and continuing to keep the spirit of the Old West alive. Chloride is a great place for history buffs or family outings. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you have visited Chloride, I would like to hear what you think. Please put a comment below.